Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome.
Hi guys, so have you ever wondered like why when your favorite YouTuber posts a video you're not notified, or when they're on live you don't even know about it? Let's fix that tonight. Click on the YouTube app, and at the top right hand corner click on your photo icon, then go to settings, then scroll up, click on notifications, and then look right here, subscriptions. It says notify me about any activities from channels I'm subscribed to. Gotta make sure it's on, so turn that on. Now you will be notified when I post the video, and everybody else that you love. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.